What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of An Inexperienced Cooking Mom. I hope you guys have tried some of the recipes so far and even enjoyed them yourself that I've posted already. Today I am doing a pot roast, which is one of my favorite meals to make. That is mainly because I can put the food into the crock pot and not have to think about a single thing for dinner the entire day. I hope you enjoy this recipe and happy cooking.